Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing with episode 2 of creating my teacher planner using Canva. And today we're going to be looking at how I'm going to make goals pages, monthly goals pages, as well as some daily pages for my planner. So let's get started. So first thing is that I'm going to add another page and I'm going to label it monthly goals. And the way I'm going to do this, since I am a music teacher, I'm putting each grade level in its own box so that every month I can just write, what we're currently working on. Sizing and shaping always takes a little bit of time, but don't worry, you're going to find the perfect fit. I even included a section for choir because while I'm not starting choir off, it's an after-school club for us. I like to make sure that we are focused once we do get started on what our goals are. Next, I'm looking through the templates for the daily pages because there's a lot of pieces that I like from many of the different templates that they have. So I kind of want to pick and choose, kind of messing around with, is there a daily page that they already have in their template library that would work? Or do I need to copy and paste something? After a little tooling around, I decided to make my own. Because really what I need are to-do lists, some different routine areas, as well as some notes. And then I really liked how they had kind of how you felt the day went, or what your mood of the day was. So I'm going to add that to my daily pages too. Friends, I got done filming that first part and I looked back at those daily pages and I hated them. I needed something different. I knew that was not exactly what I wanted. So we went back in. Let's see what we got. So I went back into the template library and found something that I felt was really more my style. I wanted something that had my schedule at a glance on the page. That was the one thing that was missing. Something that was holding me back with this was the fact that I hadn't been emailed my schedule yet. I knew the times would be similar, but I didn't know for sure which teachers would be where and at what time. But then I reminded myself, I don't have to print all of these pages out for a month at once. I can print a basic one and then come back in and edit and print them off again. I'm not stuck. That's the best part of working with Canva. Now I have two schedules. I have a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule and a Tuesday, Thursday schedule because I'm at two different buildings. So the times run the same for the most part. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. The only difference in Wednesday is that Wednesday for us, every Wednesday is a late start Wednesday. So the teachers either have meetings or professional development every Wednesday morning. So here I'm just trying to figure out spacing and exactly how I want everything to look. After tooling around more, I start working on the actual font, because this has got to go. It just doesn't work with what the rest of my planner looks like. It's very pretty, but I'm doing more of a fun and functional planner. And that did not just look right, so we fixed it. So here I'm going through, I'm using apricots for the days of the week, and then Oswald for all of the other text. I like that this template has 3 main to-dos, because it reminds me of my power hours. I shouldn't say to-dos, 3 daily goals, and then my to-do list, and then my schedule. It's right there at a glance. Then I realized, hey, there's still something more I want to do here. I want a backside to this page. So I duplicated the page. Now I'm going to retitle some of these headings. One thing I want to focus on this year is shout outs. Good things that happen during the day. Maybe it's a student who doesn't normally sing was singing at the top of their lungs, or they tried a solo for the first time. Or a kid who is really struggling with the recorder past their recorder song. I want to make sure that I have space to put those shout outs. I also want to make sure I'm communicating those shout outs to the students. So this is a perfect space for that. Then I wanted to have a spot for forwarded tasks. Tasks that are going to move either to the next time I'm at that building or things that can move to the next day. I also wanted a place to write down how I was kind of shutting down at the end of work. I read about this in a book called Deep Work, and he talks about having a kind of shutdown ritual so that you're not going to check your email after work is done, or you're not, working on lesson plans. It's okay to do that occasionally, but trying more to leave work at work. Then remember, I still want something that I can kind of have a reflection on the day. So that's what I'm creating in this little spot here. I will say I was having such a hard time finding emojis for this section of the planner. So I ended up going with stars. Because why not? What if it is a 5-star day? What if it's a 1-star day? And then I made sure that I had a spot to journal kind of what it was that made me feel that way during the day. Just a little check-in. So there you have it, done and dusted. I have created the inserts for my planner. Now that doesn't mean I won't create more inserts, but these are the main ones. So next time you see me, we will be putting this together. I'll catch you then.